Hey there, fellow travelers. If you're tired of long lines and the hassle of airport security, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how does TSA PreCheck work at the airport? 2025 edition. Whether you're a frequent flyer or just planning your next trip, this could save you tons of time and stress. Let's get started. First off, what exactly is TSA PreCheck? It's a trusted traveler program run by the Transportation Security Administration, TSA, that lets pre-approved passengers zip through security much faster. As of 2025, it's even more streamlined with new digital features, like faster online verifications and expanded eligibility for more people. To get started, you'll need to apply. Head to the official TSA website or use the app, it's super easy. Fill out a quick application, pay a fee of about $85 for 5 years, and then schedule an in-person appointment for a background check and fingerprinting. Once approved, which usually takes a few days to a couple of weeks, you'll get a known traveler number, KTN, to add to your airline reservations. Now, here's where the magic happens at the airport. When you arrive, look for the TSA PreCheck lanes. They're often marked with a special sign. You'll still go through security, but it's way less invasive. Keep your shoes on, leave your laptop in your bag, and skip the full body scan. In 2025, you might even use facial recognition or a mobile app to verify your identity quickly, cutting wait times down to under 5 minutes. The benefits are huge. Not only do you save time, but it's also less stressful, especially if you're traveling with kids or carry-on luggage. Plus, with rising airport traffic, this program is more popular than ever. Remember, it's available at most major US airports, but always check ahead for any updates. So, if you're flying often, TSA PreCheck is a total game changer. Apply today and make your travels smoother. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more travel tips. Safe travels, everyone.